Hello food lovers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to properly wash and clean dry catfish to remove dirt, sand and any unwanted particles before cooking. Whether you're making soup, stew or any delicious recipe, this simple cleaning method will help you prepare your catfish the right way. That being said, sit back and let's get started. So here is the catfish I'll be cleaning. You can also use this method to clean any kind of dry fish that you'll be using to cook. I'll also be using some salt to clean. As we all know, salt is a very good cleaning agent. So we'll be using it to clean our catfish today. To begin, I'll add some cold water. We'll also be using some hot water later in the video. But to start off, I'll be pouring some cold water over my catfish. Then I'm going to be adding some salt. I'll be using some salt to rub the outer portion of the catfish, and I'm sure you'll be asking me, what does this do? So salt helps to dislodge any dirt or debris that might be stuck in the fish. It helps to loosen up any kind of dirt that might be stuck in the fish, especially when it was being dried, when it was drying. Now guys, at this point I'm done with cleaning with the salt. This is the point where we'll be adding our hot water to the fish. Put some water on the cooker. Once it's hot, boiling, just pour it all over your catfish and you're going to soak this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, a warm welcome to you. And if you have watched to this point, thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes just like this one. Now I soaked my fish for about 2 to 3 minutes and I went to pour out the hot water. Now this is the point where we are going to begin to debone the fish. So you're going to be careful here. Just take your time and loosen the fish up and cut it into two or however you want and begin to debone. Now once you are done deboning your fish, you're just going to rinse that one more time. And guys, your catfish or whatever dry fish you'll be using to cook is ready to be tossed into that soup or stew that you want to prepare. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, or let me know if you have any other way that you clean your catfish or your dry fish before cooking. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll talk to you in my next recipe. Bye.